Your eyes hold stars no sky could claim. Your touch could calm the wildest flame. Each word you say, a healing sound. You lift me high, yet keep me grounded down. Through all my storms, you stay with grace. And in your arms, I found my place. A love like this, so rare, so true. God's hand must have painted me and you. You're beautiful, more than words can show. Through the highs and lows, we'll always grow. Let's hold on tight through joy and strife. I pray you're mine for all this life. If time should try to pull us apart, love will still burn deep in our hearts. Forever, babe, that's what we vow. From this very breath to our final bow. Your laugh still makes my heart take flight, and you still steal my sleep at night. Even as seasons turn to gray, your beauty shines more every day. We've walked through fire, faced the test, but side by side we found our rest. This love was carved by hands divine, and darling, I'm proud to call you mine. I'd choose you again in every life. Forever yours, forever wife. You're beautiful, more than words can show. Through every scar, our roots still grow. Let's hold on tight through joy and strife. We'll be each other's only life. And when the silence comes to call, love will still rise beyond it all. Forever, babe, just like we swore, until the end, and even more. So if death should part our hands someday, our love will follow, come what may.